California leads the world in pistachio production. California leads the world in pistachio production.
Millions of trees produce hundreds of thousands of tons each year.
Each pistachio is the seed of a dry fruit.
Rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. All harvested pistachios must be processed within 24 hours. Seedlings grow under controlled humidity and 32-degree conditions. Precise irrigation ensures early stability.
After 3 months, seedlings are ready for external conditions.
Only the most vigorous shoots are kept.
Strong roots support decades of harvests. Trees are planted in strategic long rows. Male trees ensure pollination.
After 6 to 8 years, trees reach full production.
Harvest must occur within a single critical week. Hydraulic trunk shakers grip the tree. Thousands fall in just 5 seconds. Fruit never touches the ground.
Up to 25 tons per hour are harvested.
Outer hulls are removed immediately. Density separation removes defective nuts. Moisture is reduced to between 4 and 6%.
Up to 800 million pistachios are stored.
Nuts are sorted by size and uniformity. Open shells are separated from closed ones. Optical systems eliminate color and shape defects.
Roasting intensifies flavor and ensures safety.
Rapid cooling stabilizes texture. 26 degrees.
Precision scales ensure exact packaging weight.
Finished products are boxed for distribution. Stored under controlled conditions before shipment.
California pistachios ship worldwide.
From orchard to package, precision defines every step. Climate-controlled silos preserve pistachios for nearly a year. Before packaging, each batch undergoes detailed classification. Uniform distribution allows precise grading.
Mechanical screens separate by size.
Closed shells are mechanically identified. Only naturally opened shells continue. Optical sensors analyze color and shape.
Defective units are removed instantly.
Roasting begins at temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Controlled heat intensifies flavor and aroma. Residual moisture is reduced for crisp texture. Rapid cooling prevents condensation. Precision weighing ensures consistent packaging. Automated systems seal each bag instantly. Every package passes safety scanning. Traceability is recorded on every box. Finished cartons are secured for transport.
Controlled storage preserves freshness.
Digital systems track every shipment. Products are prepared for global distribution. Each shipment leaves California within hours.
California pistachios travel worldwide.
From farm to international markets.
Exports fuel global demand.
The cycle begins again each season. Inside each shell lies engineered precision.
From orchard to package.
This is how pistachios are made today.
Over 1 million tons are consumed each year.
California remains the world leader. A synchronized system of agriculture and engineering.
Temperatures are holding steady.
Moisture levels look good too. We are stable.
Precision ensures consistency. Heat control defines final flavor. Air systems maintain food safety.
Strict hygiene standards are enforced daily.
Safety is mandatory in high-risk zones.
From tree to table.
The final destination is the consumer.
A journey defined by precision.
Operations continue year-round.
Preparation for the next season begins immediately.
Another cycle of growth begins.
This is how pistachios are made today in California, USA.